The kitchen. The kitchen is generally the most expensive room in the house. Hopefully it's one of the most used. A well-organized and well-stocked kitchen makes it easier and more fun to create good, healthy food. A good kitchen can be a great investment. Notice I didn't say a fancy kitchen. Anyway, kitchens have the biggest range of elements. For example, appliances, large and small, which, by the way, equals many electrical needs also. There's a variety of sinks, drains, disposals, water filters to maintain. To that, add various heating sources, lighting options, add ventilation issues, and you have the makings for a wide variety of projects. And that's without trying to stay up with the Joneses. You're also dealing with storage options and arrangements, cabinets, drawers, counter options, and workspaces. Often tile comes into the picture, etc., etc. You get the picture. This makes the kitchen a great place for do-it-yourselfers to save a lot of money. It also is a great place to make extremely rewarding updates and improvements. Our links will help make every kitchen project more doable. Bon appetit! I encourage you to become a member. At $30 a year, it's one of the best investments you will make, and it includes a 6-month money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Put all of our resources at your fingertips in less time than it takes to make a peanut butter sandwich. You'll be glad you did. For your information, we also believe in good causes, and as such, a portion of each membership goes to World Vision to help provide safe drinking wells to those less advantaged around the world.